What's good, YouTube? What's good, man? We are back with another smooth video today, y'all. So, as you may know, I've been in Thailand for maybe about 40 days. 40 days so far, bro. I've been in Thailand for about 40 days so far. So, I will tell y'all, bro, this has been one of the wildest, cheapest, dopest, best experiences ever in my life, man. So, hey, I feel like I've already won no matter what happens here in Thailand, bro. I've already won. So, bro, let me just get into it, man. So, y'all may know, look, I live here at a condo with a beach ocean view, y'all, in a condo that has 46 floors. 46. 46 floors, bro. We got 3 pools. We got a sauna. We got a steam room. Bro, we got so many amenities here, bro. Like, and y'all wanna know how much I pay? I literally only pay $600 a month, bro. That is literally a fraction, that a half of what I was paying in America, bro, for a box that had just a swimming pool and what else they have? Like a dog park. Like my dog, like I ain't even got a dog. It's crazy, bro. So here, man, the experiences has just been top tier already, unmatched, bro. And I'm happy no matter what, bro. I am happy. So look, cheap crib, right? Cheap condo. And this condo here is probably one of the biggest units, bro. My balcony is so big. In America, I had a freaking stoop, like, bro, and I was paying 1,700 a month, y'all. 1,700, bro. So that is the huge difference that y'all asked me about between the prices here versus the prices in America, man. Not to mention the food, y'all. I have been eating really good and light and healthy for the time that I've been here, for literally $1 or 50 cent or $2 meals, bro. The biggest thing that I did here was went to like a full all out buffet, bro. I went to a full all out buffet and I had maybe 2 other people with me and I just paid for everything, bro. It was 25 bucks for a full buffet. Get whatever you want, bro. We had squid, crab, lobsters, noodles, whatever you could think of, we had it, bro. So look, that's another thing, bro. Great street food, great prices, bro. Great street food, great prices, and it's a lot more healthier. A lot more healthier. Another thing, laundry. I don't touch laundry no more, twin. I don't touch laundry no more. I haven't had to do no laundry, bro. I have someone to come pick up my laundry, wash my laundry, dry my laundry, iron my laundry, wash my blankets, comforters, pillowcases, everything for $5, bro. I just give them everything. They come get it, bring it back, $5, y'all. I don't even have to do laundry. That's more time I have to be productive. I can make videos. I can go hit the beach. I can go do something productive for myself, bro. Instead of sitting around waiting for the clothes to dry, waiting for the clothes to wash. Like, okay, so off of the laundry. So another reason, another crazy benefit, y'all, that I've had here is I have not had to drive. I don't have to drive a car no more, bro. So, I mean, in America, I had a BMW, bro. So y'all know what kind of gas I gotta buy with a BMW. 93. I'm spending bread consistently on gas. Here, I can literally get a scooter ride from Grab, y'all, for like 30 cents to go to the beach, to go to the mall, wherever I want to go. 30 cents, y'all. Can't beat it, bro. So average on week, I'm probably spending maybe $10 for transportation. Like, come on, bro. You are not gonna beat that. You can never probably go nowhere in the States for under $20, even with your homeboy. They're gonna charge you $20 in gas money, bro. So come on, bro. It's just stuff for y'all to think about, man. Just how much cheaper it is compared to the States. Like, bro, This is probably the cheapest place, one of the cheapest places in the world, bro. Like, it's crazy. So, and it ain't all about just being cheap. It's really about being smart, bro, and making your money stretch and saving your money. Because in America, it's like, okay, yeah, I got a nice car, yeah, I got a nice house, but bro, you never have time to enjoy anything. You never have time to enjoy it because you're constantly trying to keep up and work to pay them bills, bro. So, and soon as you stop, y'all already know what happens, bro. They're gonna come take it all right back, and you just paid all of them years of money for nothing, bro. Because all they're gonna do is take it back, like you ain't spent nothing on it, like you ain't spent a dime, bro. They're gonna come get it all right back, no matter what. As soon as you get late behind one or two payments, it's a wrap. Like, come on, bro. How smart is that? We are not. That is not smart, bro. We gotta live smart, man. So that's the main reason I am out here, bro. Because we are trying to build and live smart and not get finessed on the day-to-day, week-in, week-out basis, y'all. Like, come on, bro. It's all about the decisions you make. We all got the power to choose our reality and create a different reality for ourselves, bro. We all have the power, bro. We all got the power. So, yes, I have been here for about 1 month now. About 1 month and some change. And the experience has just been crazy, bro. I'm happy, bro. I am happy. I am happy. No matter what, I am happy, bro. I'm not clocking into my 9 to 5. I'm not stuck in traffic back in the States. Like, I'm literally paying less. I'm literally paying less and getting way more for my money, bro. And I'm paying way less. Living by the ocean, y'all. Look at the views behind me, bro. Like, I can see the whole city behind me. I'm over the whole city. Like, it's crazy. Like, crazy, bro. I could never get this in America. This condo in America will be $5,000 to $8,000 a month, bro. I promise you this. It'll be 5,000 to 8,000 USD a month to stay here, bro. So, we winning, man. We winning. We are winning. We are winning. I don't even know. I might go get some cheap street food in a minute for about 80 baht. That ain't nothing but like 75 cents, y'all, for a whole full course meal. So, right next door. I don't gotta do nothing but just walk out my condo, go across the street. Boom. Crazy, bro. It's crazy. So, I will say within my month, there is sort of like an adjustment period, bro, when you are living here, bro. It ain't just all about sunsets and rainbows and palm trees, bro. Like, there is like a huge language barrier a lot of times, but for the most part, people understand and speak really partially good English, man. So it ain't that bad, but it is slight bit of a language barrier. Another thing is the heat, y'all. The heat here can get a little hot, bro. It can get a little humid, a little hot, because it's like we're right here on a tropical beach, like. So it's gonna get hot a little bit. And just being here just feels so different, y'all. It just feels so different. So sometimes I be thinking like, dang, do I really want to be here? Do I really want to stay here? So it does be a lot of mental oversight that you have to do whenever you're thinking about or planning on coming to stay out here, bro. Because it will eventually come in your head where you like, dang, man, I might want to go back. It's too much and da 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 da. Like, you just have to be mentally strong, though, bro. Once you can get over the mental aspect of being out here and living out here in this huge different culture switch, I promise you, from there you ain't going nowhere but up, bro. You ain't going nowhere but up. And I feel like it is a very, very fast-paced place. Like, constantly, everybody's constantly moving. It ain't like that they're rushing, but I don't know. It just feels like lighter. It just feels lighter, bro. Like, and honestly, I feel like that alone has just been worth the move alone, bro. It's just so much lighter. It's not so much of heavy loads being put on you on a day-to-day basis. Like, I literally wake up, go on an adventure, go to the beach, get food. I might hit the gym, hit the sauna, and create a routine, man. I actually have a routine out here now. In America, it was so hard for me to have a routine because it's just constantly always something different coming your way, bro. You just never know. But yes, man, I've been living here over a month. It's been great. I feel like I'm making a smart decision to be here. Definitely with all the stuff that is going on back in the States. Dang, bro, these ambulances don't play out here in Thailand, bro. They be cutting through traffic. But yeah, man, with all the stuff going on back in the States, like I said was gonna start happening, it is literally coming into fruition where the airport workers aren't working. There are gonna be no flights leaving the States, y'all. But hey, everybody choose their own reality. Hopefully, God got us. We always gonna always make sure. Actually, it ain't no hopefully God got us. We know God got us, y'all. So we know God got us. We gonna. All of this is written, man. All of this stuff is written before it even happens, y'all. So look, I want y'all to definitely make sure you stay tapped in because I am gonna be making another video that's gonna be based on my condominium and all around it. I'm gonna show y'all the amenities and stuff like that. So definitely stay tapped in. Definitely stay tapped in. And another thing, I have still been hooking up a lot of people with the crypto wallets, man. This has been big. A lot of people have been signing up and we've been getting people set up every day. So if you guys are still interested in getting started into crypto, please hit me up, and I will help you get set up with your crypto wallet, man. So definitely a perfect time to get into crypto right now with the market kind of going down. These are discounted prices, y'all. When the market is red, that means that you are buying at a very cheap price. So all you're gonna do from that red is go up. You're gonna ride the wave on up. Like Donald Trump low key is making millionaires when it comes to the crypto if you guys are getting in and not being scared. So I will, of course, have my link below. If you need any one-on-one mentorship, consultation, phone calls, you need to talk it out, please hit the mentor sign up link. Please hit the mentor sign up link, y'all. But just giving y'all a quick little recap on my 1 month, well, a little over 1 month time frame. And yeah, that's just what I've experienced so far. Definitely make sure you hit the like button, drop a comment, let me know what y'all think. And also, if you are new to the channel, please go subscribe, man. Please go subscribe. I appreciate y'all. And we are outie, man. Peace.